Did you know Toyota started out making looms, not cars? Surprised? I was. It's true. Before becoming an automotive giant, Toyota honed its manufacturing expertise in the textile industry. This surprising origin story just adds to the intrigue of Toyota, a brand synonymous with reliability and innovation. From humble beginnings, Toyota rose to become a global leader, shaping the automotive landscape with its commitment to quality and cutting-edge technology. Toyota's journey is a testament to its dedication to constant improvement and pushing boundaries. Join me as we delve into the fascinating history of Toyota, exploring its remarkable evolution and the driving forces behind its success. We'll uncover the key milestones, groundbreaking innovations, and the global impact of this automotive titan. Toyota's story began in the early 20th century, not on the open road, but in the hum of textile mills. Sakichi Toyoda, a gifted inventor, revolutionized weaving with his automatic loom. This invention, driven by a desire for efficiency and quality, laid the foundation for Toyota's future success. In 1933, Kiichiro Toyoda, Sakichi's son, embraced the burgeoning automotive industry, establishing the Toyota Company. Driven by a vision of mobility for all, Kiichiro guided the company through its formative years. Early models like the Model AA showcased Toyota's commitment to practicality and affordability. Post-World War II, Toyota refined its manufacturing processes, adopting the renowned Toyota production system, which emphasized efficiency and waste reduction. This innovative approach, later known as lean manufacturing, became a global standard, influencing industries far beyond automobiles. Toyota's relentless pursuit of innovation propelled its growth and cemented its reputation for reliability. The company consistently sought ways to enhance its vehicles, introducing features that improve performance, safety, and comfort. The iconic Corolla, launched in 1966, embodied Toyota's commitment to affordable quality, becoming one of the best-selling cars worldwide. Beyond individual models, Toyota pioneered groundbreaking technologies that reshaped the automotive landscape. The development of the first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, the Prius, marked a pivotal moment in automotive history. This revolutionary car, launched in 1997, combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor, significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The Prius became synonymous with eco-friendly driving, demonstrating Toyota's commitment to environmental sustainability. The Prius wasn't just a new car, it was a statement. Toyota challenged the industry's reliance on fossil fuels, offering a viable alternative that resonated with environmentally conscious consumers. The Prius's success paved the way for the widespread adoption of hybrid technology, with other manufacturers following Toyota's lead. This shift towards electrification marked a turning point in the automotive industry, driven in large part by Toyota's bold vision. Toyota's commitment to sustainability extends beyond hybrid vehicles. The company continues to invest heavily in hydrogen fuel cell technology, developing vehicles like the Mirai, which emits only water vapor. Toyota's dedication to exploring alternative fuel sources underscores its commitment to reducing the environmental impact of transportation. The company's forward-thinking approach has positioned it as a leader in sustainable mobility. Toyota's global reach is undeniable, with manufacturing plants and a presence in over 170 countries. However, despite its global scale, Toyota remains deeply connected to local communities. The company actively engages in social initiatives, supporting education, disaster relief, and environmental conservation efforts worldwide. Toyota understands that its success is intertwined with the well-being of the communities it serves. Toyota's commitment to local communities is evident in its approach to manufacturing. The company prioritizes local sourcing and job creation, fostering economic growth in the regions where it operates. This localized approach not only strengthens Toyota's ties to communities, but also reduces its environmental footprint by minimizing transportation distances. Toyota's global impact is therefore balanced by its commitment to local responsibility. As we look to the future of mobility, Toyota continues to push the boundaries of automotive technology. The company is heavily invested in autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, and connected car technologies, envisioning a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Toyota's commitment to innovation ensures that it remains at the forefront of the automotive industry. From its humble beginnings in textile manufacturing to its current position as a global automotive leader, Toyota's journey has been marked by innovation, quality, and a commitment to a sustainable future. As technology continues to evolve, one thing remains certain. Toyota will continue to shape the way we move, driving us towards a future where mobility is smarter, safer, and more sustainable for all.